but I need to film an intro. Without an intro, this video will be nothing. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hello, welcome. I'm so glad you are here today. As you can probably tell by the title, a lot of us are either going into, are in, or will be in going into sort of self-isolation and isolating ourselves from the rest of the world for not only our own health but for those around us as well. The world is terrifying at the moment, as I'm sure you're all aware. The media is terrifying to say the least. As I said in sort of like a previous video, I'm not so worried about myself, but it's the elderly, so it's my grandma and people like that who are the most vulnerable. Obviously we are living in a time where there's a huge amount of uncertainty. We don't know how long this is going to go on for. We don't know how bad it's going to get. When there's uncertainty in life, that's when anxiety arises. Now, I know this because I suffer, and one of the things that I found that really helps me is drawing. And not only does drawing help me, I also have so many of you guys and all my Instagram followers who messaged me asking, you know, how I started this business and how I got to where I am and what they can do to learn how to draw, and maybe I've inspired them to start drawing, or maybe they drew when they were younger but they just, you know, work life got in the way. Amazon. When Amazon or any delivery driver knock on the door, they ring the doorbell and obviously they stand, they like pass the parcel over. But that guy had put the parcel on the doorstep and was standing 2 meters down the drive. I mean, I understand the precautions and I understand why they're doing this, but it's the fact that this is so real, and that's what's so terrifying. It feels like it's this thing that's been conjured up and it can't be true, but it is true. And anyway, that's why I wanted to create this series as an escapism for people who maybe have, as I said, have always wanted to draw, or they have always been creative but they never found the time for it. We're in isolation, we're on lockdown. There's no better time. Art cures or helps heal anxiety. It really, really does. And time is on our side at the moment. We are in this together. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to create a series of videos for the very, very basics of art. So I want to demonstrate, hopefully to you, that you don't have to have the best equipment or the best materials to be able to sit down and enjoy art and enjoy creating. So for this first video that I've done, I have shown you, I will be showing you, sorry, I'm speaking from the future here, how to shade in biro, in normal uni pen, sort of one of these pens that I've got here. Shading with, and this is a 0.1, but you can use, you know, whatever thickness or mil you've got in the house. I'm trying to show you, as I said, equipment that, or materials that you'll probably find lying around in your house somewhere. The third circle I shaded in is, I use this Derwent Precision mechanical pencil, but again it's just a mechanical pencil. It's got 2B lead stick thingy in it, but again if you've got one of these lying around you can use that. And for the last circle I used my trusty Faber-Castell Polychromos, which is the main pencil that I use for all my portrait work. So I hope that you find this video informative, useful. Please do let me know what you would like to see covered in this series. As I said, I want to take it completely back to basics. And if there's anything that you would like to see, maybe, these are really annoying, these little sticky labels. As I said, if there's anything you would like to see, if there's any techniques on stuff that you'd like me to cover, I will be putting as much content onto the internet as possible. I want you to know that as well, you are not alone. If you're living on your own, if you are in isolation, feel free to reach out to me, feel free to drop me a message on Instagram. I am here for whoever needs me to be. But my platform, my Instagram, my YouTube is a safe space, and I want it to be a place where you feel like you can come and you can zone out and you don't have to worry about the stress. We can all try and keep our anxieties as low as possible and we can just draw together. And that is what I want from this. I hope that you enjoy this video, and for now, take care of yourselves. Please stay healthy, please stay safe, and we can get through this together.
Somehow Still can't grasp the fact that you want to be mine.